to size your transformer, I'll show you guys, walk you guys through how to do that. It's super simple to do. And like I said about voltage drop and all that kind of stuff, if you're putting in an LED system, it's not something you have to worry about as much. If you look on any of the bulbs that you're using in your landscape lights, it'll either say on the box what the light is, or if you're switching around bulbs and that, you'll usually find the information you need on it. But for sizing your transformer, the biggest thing you need to know is how many watts is each lamp and each fixture going to take. So I have an example here. Say this was our system and we've got 3 accent lights that we're going to put on it. Each one of these is a 5-watt bulb on it. So we've got 3 times 5, so we've got 15 watts total. And then we got our path light, which is going to have a smaller bulb in it, and it's only going to use 2 watts. So we're at 15, so we're at 17 watts. So really all we need is a transformer that's approximately 20 watts or higher. Now, it's going to be tough to find one that small, and it's rare that you're only going to put in this many lights, but it just gives you an example. That's basically how you calculate how many you have, and what size transformer you're going to use. So again, if you had 10 of these and they're all 5 watts now, you're 50 watts, and say you had 10 of these and they're all 2 watts each, well that's 50 plus 20, you're at 70 watts. You want a transformer that's probably going to be 100 watts or more to operate that system. So it's really easy to calculate out, and if you're starting to get into a system that's more than 16 lights, you might want to also consider finding a transformer that has a 15-volt tap on it. So most transformers will have either a 12 or a 15-volt tap. Smaller ones will only have a 12-volt tap, and all that means is that from where the wire comes out of your transformer to where it goes down to the lights, you're starting at 12 volts, which means you can lose about 3 volts along that line and still have those lights work. If you have more lights, you want to get a transformer that's maybe a little bigger like this. It starts with a 15-volt tap, which means now you can lose up to 6 volts along that line and still have those lights run efficiently. So that's basically how you size your transformer. It's super easy to do that.